How to remove mention on Instagram story after posting. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see if we can remove mention on Instagram story after posting or not. So to find out that, let's get started. First off, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now head over to your story that you have mentioned someone and already posted in your Instagram account. Here I have this story and I have mentioned this account right here. Now in order to remove it, if you tap on three dots icon that says more, and unfortunately there is no any option to remove this mention. Instead you can add more mention. Tap on add mention and you can add more people, but you won't be able to remove the mentioned on Instagram if you have already posted the story. Rather, you can delete this story from your account. In order to delete that, open up your story, tap on three dots and then simply tap on delete. With that, your story along with the mentioned will be removed or deleted. So you won't be able to remove the mention on Instagram story if you have already posted. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.